this video, I will show you how to use dark moody effect in your photo. Go to the develop option at the beginning. Go to the basic section. Reduce expose to -1. Increase the contrast to +100. Reduce highlight to -100. Increase shadow to +100. Reduce white to -100. Increase black to +100. Increase the clarity to +100. Increase vibrance to +11. Increase saturation to +12. Click on the radial filter icon. Select the part of the image you want to highlight. Click on the invert checkbox. Increase feather to +11. Click on the graduation filter. Drag slightly from top to bottom of the photo. Reduce exposure to -57. Now, click on the preset section. Click on the curve. Click on the cross process. Your photo has been dark moody. Thanks for watching the video.